Take a ride in the 2019 Model X. The Tesla Model X offers a sleek exterior design that's sure to get people talking. It also provides the perfect combination of utility and performance. The Tesla Model X takes electric cars to a whole new level. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.